Introduction to Pharmacopoeias. Since drugs affect health of the people, it is necessary to have special laws to control their sale and establish standards of quality and purity. The Food and Drugs Administration of various countries takes this responsibility of collecting all information and to control the standards of the drugs to maintain uniformity and reliability of dosage forms. This governmental department of various countries started publishing books of standards for drugs and devices known as pharmacopoeias and formularies. Learning outcomes of this video. From this video, the learner will be able to define pharmacopoeia and know the history of the Indian pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia is the term which comes from the Greek word pharmakon meaning a drug and poin meaning make. And the combination means any recipe or formula required to make or prepare a drug. Pharmacopoeia is defined as a comprehensive book which is issued under the authority of government and contains a list of drug and formulae used for medicinal preparation. For the guidance of persons in the practice of medicine, a number of national pharmacopoeias were published by various European countries. But each pharmacopoeia described different strength and method of preparation for the same product. Hence, there was a lot of confusion. To overcome this difficulty, the first British pharmacopoeia came into existence in 1864. First United States Pharmacopoeia was published in 1820 by United States. The object of the first United States Pharmacopoeia was to select from substances the one which possesses medicinal power and convert them into preparations of suitable composition in order to enhance their power to have maximum advantage. Later on, National Formulary was also published in addition to United States Pharmacopoeia. The first international pharmacopoeia was published by the World Health Organization in two volumes. Volume first in 1951 and second in 1955. List of the pharmacopoeias which are commonly used in India are Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, European Pharmacopoeia, International Pharmacopoeia, Japanese Pharmacopoeia, and Martindale Extra Pharmacopoeia. History of the Indian Pharmacopoeia. The Government of India directed the Drugs Technical Advisory Board to list the drugs that are used in India which are not mentioned in the British Pharmacopoeia and also to recommend the standards to be prescribed to maintain uniformity and the chemical test to be used to establish identity and purity. The Government of India published the Indian Pharmacopoeia list in 1946 as a supplement to British Pharmacopoeia. The term list in the title was misleading in that the book not only contained a list of drugs which were of substantial medicinal value but also laid down standards. The Indian Pharmacopoeia list contained about 180 monographs and a number of appendices prepared on the lines of the British Pharmacopoeia. Approximately 100 monographs were on vegetable drugs growing in India and on their galenicals. The drugs of plant origin such as artemisia, bell, berberis, cannabis, isabgula, kaladana, kurchi, myrobalan, picrorhiza, punarnava, Rauwolfia, Vasaca were included in it. Similarly, several oils such as Ajovan, Cassia, Chaul Mugra, Neem, and Pudina were included in it. The appendices gave detail for a number of determinations referred to in the monographs. The Pharmaceuticals and Drug Research Committee of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research decided in February 1947 to compile a brochure to highlight the information and clinical uses of the important indigenous drugs of India. Later on, it was decided to prepare a codex instead of brochure on the lines of the British Pharmaceutical Codex. The first Indian Pharmaceutical Codex was published in 1953. The codex consisted of two parts. The first part carried about 190 general monographs on natural product and the drugs of vegetable and animal origin and a few chemicals. The second part consisted of formulary of galenicals and other preparations. After the publication of the Indian Pharmacopoeia list, the Government of India constituted an 11-member Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee in 1948 in their notification in November 1948 for preparing the Pharmacopoeia of India. The tenure of the office of the members of the committee was 5 years. It was extended by 1 year via the government notification dated 21st November 1953. In compiling the monographs of the first Pharmacopoeia of India, help was taken from all available established scientific data in the modern pharmacopoeia such as British Pharmacopoeia, the United States Pharmacopoeia, and the International Pharmacopoeia, and from scientific institutions interested in drugs and pharmaceutical products. The first edition of the Pharmacopoeia of India was compiled and then published in 1955. After the first edition, the next editions were also published in year like second edition in 1966, third edition in 1985, fourth edition in 1996, fifth edition in 2007 and sixth edition in 2010. This was the first part of the video. In the second part, we are going to see the different silent features of the different edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia.